Next topic, differential equations. I will give example for algebraic equation and differential equations. Example, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So 6x square plus 2x plus 5x cube plus 3 is equal to 0. So these are all example for the algebraic equation. Now differential equation example I am writing. Now dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y by x minus 2y. So this is the example for differential equation. Or d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus 3 is equal to 0. So this one also differential equations. Here we are having dy by differential terms, so dy by dx, d square y by dx square and d cube y by dx cube, like that. These terms are present in this differential equations. So for this differential equation we have to find order and degree of differential equations. Order means highest derivative present. So highest derivative, example dy by dx is present means first order, d square y by dx square, that term is present means second order, d cube y by dx cube, it is present in the differential equation means that is third order differential equation. And degree of the differential equation means the power of the highest order derivative. The power of the highest order derivative is known as degree of differential equation. Now I will explain with one problem. See the second problem. Here 3 plus dy by dx whole cube whole square is equal to d square y by dx square whole power 4. So here this one is first order and this one is second order term. So here the highest term is what? This one is the d square y by dx square is the second order. So this is the highest order. So what is the order is equal to order of the differential equation is 2. And power, so for d square y by dx square is the highest order and what is the power? Here 4 is the power. So power or the degree is given by degree is equal to 4. So this is the second order for degree 4 differential equation. So second order differential equation with the degree 4. And see the first problem here, 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 is equal to d square y by dx square whole power 2. So this is the differential equation. For this one we have to find the order and degree. And here what is the highest order? Here dy by dx term is there and here d square y by dx. So this one is the highest order and highest order is this one. Before finding the power, but here it is power is 2, but here the fraction number is there. So we have to remove this fraction number, then we will get 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole squaring on both sides, we will get whole power 3, it is equals to d square y by dx square whole power 4. Now squaring on both sides, then we will get like this. Then now what is the order? Here order means order equals to 2, second order differential equation, and degree is equal to degree is power of this second order term is what? Power is equal to 4. So order degree is equal to 4. So this is the second order differential equation with the degree 4. See here also the fraction term is there. In the third problem, see the third problem, here we are having 6 by 5 as a fraction, we have to remove this one. So how to remove that one? D square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole power 3 is whole power 6 by 5 is equal to 2y. Now each power multiply powers with 5 by 6, here also 5 by 6. So 5 cancel, 6 cancel, here we will get the 2y power 5 by 6. Here we are having d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole power 3. Now after simplified we got this equation but here d square y by dx square, this is the second order differential equation. Now but here dy by dx term is there, d square y by dx square term is there, so highest is second order only, so order equals to 2. Now we have to check the power or degree of differential equation. Degree is given by 1. First degree is equal to 1. So second order differential equation with degree. Here we are having 5 by 6 fraction to the 2y. This is the 2y term. For this term we are having fraction 5 by 6, but we are not having the fraction for the d square y by dx square, dy by dx term, not having any fractional numbers. So we can directly from this we can directly calculate the order. So d square y by dx square is the highest order, so order is equal to 2, and degree, the highest order derivative power is what, 1, so degree is equals to 1. So this is the second order differential equation with degree 1.